turntables. And here they are dishing up an a la carte order of Chloe. Where did you learn to cook like that? In the Army. I don't think I can use it, Stuart, but we could use a song for you anytime. So let's have that lovely new ballad, Just As Always.
When the tallest glass is still famous for flavor, tenderly sweet, still something appealing reception. Cool off this way all through the hot weather, at mealtime and in between. With other fine summer food, iced tenderly tea is the perfect companion, a delightful necessity. And between meals, when you're parched, when you're still...
Write anything while you were up there?
Couldn't have forgot my pencil.
But if you're really
Interested in composing, Tommy, you should spend a lot of time studying scores.
I do when the Dodgers are playing.
And another good thing to remember is that every composition must have a basic idea. Now take that song of ours, The Moose. A prominent critic says it represents the conflict of two elemental forces, One, the violence of nature struggling with the force of man. The other, a more melancholy, restrained mental force.
Do you agree with him?
I don't even know what he's talking about.
Well, that makes two of us, but I'm working on a new song we both should be able to understand. It's a melody that's been running around in my mind for quite some time now. I'll play a little of it with the boys, and then you can pick it up on the piano.
Okay, P.D., go ahead.
All right, John, give us a little vamp.
It seems I've heard that number someplace before.
Well, that's the trouble, dude. Everybody's trying to feel good tunes today. It's really rough on the writers.
This number sounds a little like that melody you play once in a while. You know, Marie.
Well, people tell me it sounds something like Your Solitude.
Solitude was never like this.
Neither was Marie. If you think you can play with it, too,
I'll try.
Well,
You come in the middle.
let it down. So much for this Sunday, folks. Thanks for dialing us in. And try to be listening again next Sunday, same time. Stuart Foster, Ziggy Elman, Charlie Savers, and all the fellows in the band will be on hand in Dorsey Drive to welcome my brother Jimmy Savers' trombone player, Russ Morgan. So until next Sunday, this is Sammy Dorsey saying good night.